Sociology is the scientific study of human society, social behavior, and the structures that shape our interactions. It helps us understand how societies are organized and how social influences affect individual and group behavior. By comprehending basic sociological terms and concepts, we build a foundation to analyze social phenomena critically. This introduction highlights essential terminology that forms the backbone of sociological inquiry, enabling deeper insights into the complex dynamics of social life. Social action refers to the actions individuals take that consider the behavior and expectations of others. There are four main types: traditional, affective, value rational, and instrumental rational. Social relationships are the enduring patterns of interaction between individuals or groups, like the ongoing dynamic between a teacher and student. These relationships shape mutual expectations and social roles. The key point here is that our social actions and relationships are fundamentally interconnected. The way we interact with others and the roles we take on are shaped by our understanding of social norms and expectations. As we explore the topic of social action and social relationships further, keep in mind how these two concepts are intertwined. Our actions both influence and are influenced by the social contexts and connections we are a part of. Social structure refers to the organized and persistent patterns of social relationships and institutions that guide behavior within a society. Examples of social structure include social class divisions, caste systems, and institutional roles. Social status is an individual's position or rank within the social structure, which can influence their opportunities and social experiences. For instance, being part of the upper class often confers certain privileges that shape one's social experiences. Understanding social structure and status is important for recognizing how societal systems and hierarchies impact people's lives. Master status is a dominant social status that overshadows other statuses and profoundly shapes an individual's identity and how society perceives them. For example, a disability can become a person's master status, defining their social interactions. Status inconsistency occurs when an individual holds conflicting statuses that do not align socially. This creates tension between social expectations and the person's self-perception. An example is a highly educated PhD working in a low-skilled job. The mismatch between their qualifications and occupation creates status inconsistency. Achieved status refers to positions or roles that individuals earn or choose through their own efforts, such as becoming a doctor or an athlete. These reflect personal accomplishments and opportunities for social mobility. In contrast, ascribed status refers to positions or roles that are assigned to individuals at birth or by social factors outside their control, such as race, gender, or family heritage. These ascribed statuses often have a strong influence on an individual's life chances and social expectations. The key distinction is that achieved status is earned through one's own efforts, while ascribed status is determined by factors beyond the individual's control. Both achieved and ascribed statuses have significant impacts on a person's life experiences and the opportunities available to them. It's important to understand this fundamental difference between the two types of status and how they shape individual trajectories in society. The social role is the expected behaviors, duties, and norms associated with a given social status, like the role of a doctor to diagnose and treat patients. The role sector refers to specific subsets of behavior connected to a role, such as a doctor's role sectors of patient care, research, and administrative work, each with distinct obligations. These concepts help us understand the different aspects and expectations that come with occupying a particular social position or role in society. The key is recognizing that roles have both broad social expectations as well as more specific responsibilities within different domains or sectors of that role. The slide introduces three key concepts related to roles. Role category, how society categorizes and defines certain roles, like the cultural expectations of a mother role. Role expectation, the standard or norms that society has for how a role should be performed. Perceived role, the individual's own interpretation and understanding of their duties and behaviors within a given role. It's important to recognize that there can be differences between the societal expectations of a role and how an individual actually carries out that role in practice. Understanding these three concepts can help us better analyze and navigate the complexities of different social roles. The slide introduces three key sociological concepts: role set, role strain, and role conflict. Role set refers to the collection of roles associated with a single social status, like the different responsibilities a student has. Role strain happens when the demands of a single role become difficult to fulfill. Role conflict occurs when the demands of multiple roles, like work and family, clash and create tension. These concepts help us understand the challenges people face in managing their various social roles and responsibilities. I'll provide some real-world examples to illustrate each of these ideas further. The slide covers key concepts related to roles, social factors, and societal influences. Role dynamics refer to how roles evolve over time as society changes. Role failure happens when someone doesn't meet the expected societal role, leading to social consequences. Social factors shape behavior and social life in a community. Social norms are the unwritten rules that guide acceptable behavior. Social values are the shared beliefs about what is considered good or bad within a society. These concepts are interconnected and important for understanding human behavior and social dynamics. Social institutions are structured and enduring patterns of social behavior that meet fundamental societal needs. Key examples include the family, education systems, and governments. Institutionalization is the process by which norms, rules, and behaviors become established and accepted within a society. This creates stability and predictability in how people interact with each other. Institutionalization is what allows social institutions to function effectively and persist over time. Understanding social institutions and the process of institutionalization is crucial for analyzing how societies are organized and how they change.